When you click on this button, it will increment the value on the screen. It happens without any change detection overhead. That's the goal of signals. A signal is a smart variable which tells Angular when it changes, so Angular can update its dependencies, like components or other signals. To access a signal value in a component, call the signal object. During the initial render cycle, Angular will add the signal to the reactivity graph to know the dependency between the signal and the component. To create a signal, just call the Angular's built-in signal function. If you are a TypeScript warrior, like most Angular devs, you can specify the type explicitly. This can be helpful when working with no-label values. To change a signal, use set or update. Set sets a new value, update takes a function which modifies the original value. Sometimes we don't want to show the signal value directly, we want to do something with it first, like double it or add another number. That's where computed helps. A computed signal is a value that depends on other signals. It updates automatically when any of the original signals changes. You don't need to update it yourself. Without the computed signal, you would have to implement a getter and a setter and set the double value manually. For the simpler implementation, we need the model signal, which is a special signal for two-way data binding. We add the default value and an explicit type. We need another variable for the computed signal and call the computed function. In the lambda, we access the input value, double and return it. To display the value, call the signal. For two-way data binding, we can pass the signal as a normal value. Angular will notice it's a signal and do its magic in the background. Effect is a way to execute code when a signal changes. For example, if you want to update the title of the page. But be careful, effect is only for side effects. Don't use it to update other signals or change state. That can cause bugs or even infinite loops. Use effect to respond changes, not to drive them.